We have purchased and leased 3 vehicles so far at BMW of Bakersfield. They not only have the best selection, they also have the best customer service. The service I received at BMW of Bakersfield was top-notch, 5 stars all the way. When I walk into the door at BMW of Bakersfield, I not only feel welcomed, I feel a part of a family. Everyone here, from the service department to sales to the receptionists, are all amazing, and they all tend to know me by name. I would recommend BMW of Bakersfield to everyone. All my friends and family already know, but I would like to tell anyone and everyone how amazing this place is.